Welcome to today's video on the GFK Forex Indicator for MT4. This trend following indicator plots a colored line and on-chart text signals so newer traders can visually spot potential buy and sell opportunities in real time. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the GFK Forex Indicator displays its main trend line in a separate indicator window below the main price chart and changes its color based on the prevailing trend, with green for bullish while rising and red for bearish while falling. On the chart, you can also draw a green circle with buy signal text above it when it detects a potential long setup, and a red circle with sell signal text for potential short setup. These combined visuals make it easy to see when the indicator believes the trend is up or down and where it is suggesting possible entries. If we move over to its settings, we find the notification for email and sound. Internally, the GFK Forex Indicator uses a mix of moving averages, oscillators, and support and resistance ideas to generate its trend and signal outputs. The lack of parameters for sensitivity makes it a simple trend tool. You can also change the color and thickness of the line. The lack of complex inputs makes it accessible for beginners, and it can be combined with any trend based strategy for confirmation. Traders can adjust stop loss placements and exits according to their money management rules, often closing trades when the GFK color or signal direction reverses. Now, who is it for and what are its limitations? The GFK Forex Indicator is aimed at day and short term traders, particularly beginners who want a straightforward visual signal and trend tool. It relies heavily on past market data, can produce false signals in volatile conditions, and is not appropriate as a sole basis for long term investment decisions. So, traders should always combine it with other technical and fundamental analysis and use it with caution. You can find the download link in the description below and also read the full GFK Forex Indicator article, including detailed strategy steps, pros and cons, and usage notes to help you be more versatile with the tool at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.